Hello everyone and welcome to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can see private profiles on Instagram. So I have two ways that will help you to spy into people profiles. For example, you have a girlfriend, ex-girlfriend that you want to spy. This is not ethic, but if you want to do it well, I have the solution. So one of the first methods that you have to do this is just following, but as you can see, the people will figure out that you are spying on them. So what can so what else ki- so what else we can do? Well, very simple. So you have to create a new Instagram account and you have to make that account to look real, not fake. Because if it looks fake, the person will figure out that someone is spying, and if the breakup, for example, if it's your ex-girlfriend was recent, well, that's a clue, right? So you create that account and you work on that account for a few weeks, for example. I don't know, mm, post pictures of some random people, follow random people, and once you have a so when you have an account that looks real, you can start following that person, and if this person accepts, you can spy on them. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and see you in another easy way video. Goodbye.